Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to talk about the pros and cons, like the reasons why you shouldn't buy the Pro from the Xiaomi, the Robot Vacuum 5. So the first con, what is like really important, is that some people found the home mapping unconvincing. The robot sometimes returns or spends more time in certain areas of the house without valid reasons. Low areas like under the bed are left for last when they could be cleaned during regular room cleaning for some reason. Also, the extendable brush that you actually have it with the product doesn't work in all corners. The extendable dust arm only extends for some angles and not for all. So yeah, like as you can see, like the arm there, that's something to be aware of. Also, mirror confusion. The laser beams can be tricked by mirrors. Where there is a mirror, the robot vacuum thinks there is another space on the map. So just be aware of it, okay? That when you have a lot of mirrors, like for example I have in my home, that's something you have to be careful about. A large base station, so the base station is a little bit larger, so that's something also to be aware of. If you want to use it, that you need to actually have a space for it, okay? And then only 2.4 Wi-Fi support, so no 5 support GHZ. And you don't have like cleaning aids, detachable mops, or cleaning agent tag. That's something you don't have. And you have like longer rechargeable. So that's something that you have to be aware of. I just want to make this like very quick video. Otherwise, it's like you have like plenty of pros here, like AI triple camera system, massive suction power, effective anti-tangle system, smart rectangle, night vision capability, that's insane, comprehensive self-cleaning base station, real-time home monitoring, like good stuff, but that's something you have to be aware of. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye.